Good morning, doing a quick walk around on this 2017 Subaru Impreza. Looks really good in this nice deep blue color. It is the Sport, so it's got the spoiler and a bunch of sporty extra little accents. Of course, it is all-wheel drive. It's got quite a few options like the eyesight, which is really nice. We'll go through that once we hop on the inside, but let's check out the outside for now. It's got some aftermarket 17s. Motegi, I believe is what they are. Yeah, it looks really good. Paint's in good shape. No major dings or dents or anything like that. And the rubber is in good shape too. Quite a bit of meat left. All right, let's take a peek inside. Again, like I said, it has Subaru eyesight, so it has a ton of safety and convenience options. Got black cloth interior. Check out the roof. We got a moonroof up there. We also got premium sound too. We got Harman Kardon. Driver's seat's in good shape as well. Let's take a peek at the roof. Let me open that up for a second. We got the moonroof. All right. Turn this down. Okay, so we got paddle shifters in the back. We got part of the eyesight comes with adaptive cruise control, stereo controls. And this particular Subi has 95k miles. It does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reverse, got the camera, got the AC. It is automatic, heated seats. We got the USB and aux inputs in there. Yeah, so it's got like a lane departure warning, collision alert. I think there's another one over here, blind spot alert. That's a really nice one for both sides of your mirrors. Let's take a look in the back. Under the trunk here. Not much to see, just a clean trunk. And finally, let's take a peek under the hood. Four-cylinder engine, natural, no turbos or anything like that. So yeah, really nice looking all-wheel drive, fun, sporty, reliable. Yeah, anyways, I hope this video helps out. Thanks for watching. Take care.